Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will discuss why 7 is a prime number. Please visit mathstoon.com for more info. Let's move to our solution. Let us first check out the definition of a prime number. A number is called a prime number if it is divisible only by 1 and that number itself. Now our number is 7 and we know that we cannot divide 7 by any number other than 1 and 7 itself. So 7 is divisible only by 1 and 7. So by the above definition of a prime number, we can conclude that 7 is a prime number. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.